So let's go through the scenario.
What?
I go out, but how do I get back out? Then I throw you the rope, and then you guys pull me up.
Right.
So I'm going to have to, as I move...
I would get on that stump above your knee there, next to your knee. Climb on that. There you go. Yeah, get the dirt off your feet.
Oh, yeah, that's important.
Poking me, man.
Oh, brother.
Someone's poking me.
All right, now slip your feet in, one leg at a time. Put your hands
Nah, stand on it.
There you go. Now you go.
Oh, my God.
Slip that baby up there. Okay.
Hugh.
So here's step 2.
Do not
Take
listen to him.
Now, like I'm going to do it, which I haven't said I'm going to yet, but I can tell people I did. Okay. This sure doesn't seem very strong.
I can hold locomotive.
I'm really not afraid.
Sure you're not. So much fun.
I just can say that I did it, right?
That's right. It's one of those. It's a bucket.
Are you really taking video now?
Yes.
Oh shit!
It's a bucket list thing.
Okay, before my battery runs
Oh,
out.
I gotta do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
You know how to put it in the bucket list now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! This is fun! This is fun! I'm saying, you know, you're gonna have to do it.
No.
Okay, I'm done. Because I don't want to press my luck.
What luck?
With this rope.
Okay, I'll come get your rope.
I want you to get frightened a little bit more.
Here, somebody. Come on, Hugh. Put the damn camera down. Hugh. Yeah.
I'm coming.
Somebody to grab the rope.
Get in there.
So close.
That would have been a great video, Hugh.
Okay, wait. I gotta turn around.
Now what?
She's going to have to jump.
No one.
You're going to have to go head first.
If I could grab that stump over there.
We'll have the whale.